When you watch this video, you will never again throw these bags. You've probably noticed that when you buy a pair of shoes or some other products, they have silicone gel bags. According to many people, these bags are toxic and useless, but this is not true at all. These silicone gel bags should not be eaten because they contain a silicon dioxide inside them. However, they are extremely useful and you should definitely have them at home, so the next time you buy shoes, do not throw it away. Inside each bag, there are granules that have a white or light yellow color. They are very effective for protecting clothes and shoes against moisture damage. In this video we will present some ways in which the silica gel bags can be used in the home. 1. Put in the training bag. These sockets absorb moisture more frequently. Due to the fact that they multiply in a humid environment, these silica bags will help you save your bag of bacteria, and it will be dry, clean and free from unpleasant smell. 2. Save your cosmetics. In order to store the products in powder form and do not keep moisture, put a bag of silica in your cosmetic bag. 3. Put them in the closet with clean clothes. If you put bags of silica in the locker room, it will help keep the good smell of the clothes longer and the silicon dioxide will prevent the spread of moisture. 4. Save your cell phone. If you ever drop your mobile phone into the water, all you have to do is put 4 or 5 sockets around your phone. In this case, the phone dries very soon and will be able to use it again because the silicon dioxide has the ability to absorb all the water. Now that you know all the advantages of silica gel bags, do not throw them away, save them for every need.